Speaking of Chrysler, the Pacifica, these are pictures that Chrysler themselves have released to kind of preview what the facelifted Pacifica looks like. From what I understand, this is not a ground-up new generation of Pacifica. This is mostly a facelift.
I mean, the hood's even the same.
You may be wondering, okay, why is this even worth talking about? It's a facelift on a minivan. This is important because this is the only vehicle Chrysler sells, and if this is the design language they're going for how long Chrysler keeps their vehicles around, this is going to be what Chryslers look like for the next 10 plus years.
You're assuming Chrysler will be around.
I did say in a previous episode, I think Chrysler will exist as long as the Pacifica exists.
Do they make enough money to be able to make a whole other car, market it, develop it?
Well, the problem is, in this segment, the competition has increased quite a bit. Its competitors have received a lot of updates since this vehicle has.
It was pretty great when it first came out.
Frankly, I don't actually like the way this looks very much at all.
It is very Hyundai. I do like the new Chrysler badge.
Yeah, it's minimalist, but I mean, it's like, again, this is a brand without any direction, without any identity.
I wish Chrysler's fate was different. I wish Dodge's fate was different.
Yeah, I've been waiting to hear what Chrysler's CEO has to say about
What's her name?
Chris Fuel.
Oh, yeah.
But she left, so this happened like 2 or 3 days ago. Stepped
Nice.
away for personal reasons.
Like not wanting to be associated with the company.
That's it. Just personal reasons. So she stepped away. So now Matt McClear, who's the CEO of Dodge, is now heading Chrysler.
Well, it's not a big job if they only have one car.
He's handling all of their cars, all one of them.
So between Dodge and Chrysler, he's managing 3 cars.
Yeah. And he's managing Alfa Romeo North America.
So he's managing 3 cars.
Yeah. It's a tough time to be a Mopar fan at the moment.
Life is made up of easy times and tough times. And I'm waiting on the easy times now.